大家好, I'm a freelance Chinese tutor as my side hustle based here in Pangasinan, face-to-face sana because hindi ako pang online class. So if you're from Urdaneta, Villasis, Tayug, Santa Maria, Rosales, Balongao, Umingan, Santo Tomas, Alcala, and you're looking for a Chinese tutor for your kid or even for you as an adult, gusto nyo makausap ng Mandarin, Hokkien, pwede ako. So I also have current duties, so let's work around the schedule para hindi conflict sa schedules, and I'll be reading some texts from the textbooks of my current duties. So singit lang, I'm free available during weekday mornings, pero pagdating ng summer vacation na rin ako with other duties, mas free ako in the mornings and afternoons sa summer vacation. Yun lang. Tapos may nag-chat din pala sa akin na outside of the areas na binanggit ko sa Pangasinan. So may nag-chat from Dagupan, ganun. So if you're interested, we can pag-usapan naman natin, and pwede kayo maghatak ng ibang mga friends, ganyan, mommy friends, daddy friends, ganyan, para magsama-sama yung mga kids ninyo, para isang puntahan na lang ako, but I will be charging more for gas and time travel, ganun. Yun lang. Thank you. 第14课，你的羊被狼吃了。有一个牧羊人早上把母赶到山上吃草，晚上把羊关在羊圈里。羊圈有一个洞，邻居劝他把洞补上，他说没关系。一天早上，他发现少了一只羊，邻居告诉他：“你的羊被狼吃了，赶快把洞补上吧。”他说：“羊已经被狼吃掉了，补洞有什么用？”过了几天，有一只羊被狼吃了，牧羊人知道自己错了。听了邻居的话，把洞补上了，以后再也没有发生羊被狼吃的事情。So, 你的羊被狼吃了，kinain ng wolf ang sheep mo. 有一个牧羊人 there's a shepherd. 早上把羊赶到山上吃草. Every morning, dinadala niya yung sheep on the mountain side to eat grass. 晚上把羊关在羊圈里. At night, inuwi niya at kinukulong sa sheep pen ang mga sheep. 羊圈有一个洞, there's a hole sa sheep pen. 邻居 the neighbor 劝他把洞补上. The neighbor advised the shepherd to patch the hole up, i-fix ang hole. 他说没关系, pero sabi ni shepherd, no, do not worry, no worries. 一天早上 one morning, 他发现少了一只羊. Napansin niyang nabawasan siya ng isang sheep. 邻居告诉他, sabi ng neighbor, 你的羊被狼吃了，赶快把洞补上吧. Nakain na ng wolf ang isang sheep mo, so bakit bilisan mo nang i-patch ang hole ng sheep pen mo. Pero, 他说, sabi ni shepherd, 羊已经被狼吃掉了，不同有什么用? Nakain na ng wolf ang sheep ko, so what's the use of fixing the hole? 过了几天, after a few days, 有一只羊被狼吃了. There's another sheep na kinain ng wolf. 牧羊人知道自己错了, so na-realize ni shepherd na nagkamali siya. 听了邻居的话, he listened to his neighbor's words, 把洞补上了. So, finix na niya yung hole, napatch na niya ulit yung hole. 以后, after that, 再也没有发生羊被狼吃的事情. Hindi na ulit nagkaroon ng incident na nakain ng wolf ang sheep niya.